Cracking your knuckles isn't just a simple stretch, it's the sound of microscopic bubbles bursting in your joints. When you pull or bend your fingers, the pressure in your joints changes and creates gas bubbles in the synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints. The pop you hear is actually these bubbles collapsing, a process called cavitation. Contrary to popular belief, this satisfying sound doesn't harm your fingers or lead to arthritis. Instead, it's a fascinating glimpse into the physics of fluid dynamics happening right in your own body. So next time someone gives you the side eye for cracking your knuckles, you can tell them it's just science in action.